not by yourself. We've got Hitesh Eidnani joining us for a technical analysis of your stocks, and Faiza Hafizi for a fundamental analysis. Faiza, Hitesh, thank you very much. Let's kick off with the first call. Joins us from Pravir Sanyal from Kolkata. Hi, Mr. Sanyal. Go ahead. What would you like to know?
Actually, I have 1,000 Nagarjuna fertilizer at the rate of 32.
Okay.
Right now, I want to buy more, but I want to get confirmation from your channel. What is the actually level I should again enter into this stock, and when should I profit also from this stock?
All right. But before that, you need to tell us why Nagarjuna fertilizer. Do you want to play it before the budget, as it always happens?
Actually, every year before budget, it actually jumps 20-30%. That's why I have sold this stock.
Faiza, take it first.
I think so, Manisha, because the counter has been range bound between 26 to 40 since May 2009, after having seen a high of 90 in December 2007. Currently, while it's still in that range, but it broke down from that range some time back ago, and currently the trend is down. So my advice would be to exit, and like my co-host pointed out, there are a number of other counters in the fertilizer space. Even I'm quite bullish on Tata Chemicals, so you could look at Tata Chemicals, but Nagarjuna fertilizer is something that my advice would be to exit at current levels.
All right, Mr. Sanyal, so both our experts have given you a very clear advice. Get out of Nagarjuna fertilizer. You could just get back your price, your buying price. That might be the best time to exit out of the stock. Next up, we've got a question on Orchid Chemicals. Dinesh from Pune has this stock or wants to buy this stock. Dinesh, any reason why you want to buy Orchid Chemicals?
Growth they have seen, they have shown in the past 6 months. It's tremendous, and as well as the particular injectable segment is going at more than 40%. Orchid Chemicals is poised. So I want to know, it is the right time to enter, or shall I wait for budget?
All right, and if you buy it, is it for a long-term portfolio hold, a year, 2 years sort of a holding period?
No, for 2 to 3 months. I want to know, is it the right time to enter in the 270 to 280 range?
All right, fair enough. So you've done your research well, you like the sector, you like the growth, you like the company. Hitesh, Orchid Chemicals, he has a 2 to 3 month frame, so over to you first.
The trend is positive in Orchid Chemicals. It's consolidating now, but it should resume its upward trend. We could hold with a stop loss of 243 for a target of 350 in the next 3 to 6 months. So I have a buy on Orchid Chemicals.
Faiza, this stock's done fabulously well for investors over the last 18 months, and in the bull run, and it's not coming down. So clearly the investor has done his research, done his homework, that 10% quietening is being seen as an opportunity to enter. But would you also agree with it? Caller joining us from Kolkata, Depanvita Sil. Hi Depanvita, what would you like to buy?
I have bought like 24 shares of Fortis Healthcare at the rate of 153.
Okay.
So should I hold them or sell them?
Fortis at 153. Faiza, they came out with a great set of December numbers. My only concern, very expensive stock. So it's December numbers, but it's again starting to trend down.
I like this counter. It's been range bound between 134 to 177. Currently it's sideways, so we neither have a long nor a short on this counter. But overall, pharma is an excellent sector, and we like Fortis in this space. But I would wait for a clear trend to emerge in this counter before initiating or recommending any buys. So my suggestion would be to wait for a clear trend to emerge before going long on this counter.
Alright, so there you go, Depanvita. Wait out a little bit. Don't do anything at the current market price with work hard. You have a long holding period, 3 to 5 years. Pardon me, not work hard. We're discussing Fortis. You have a long holding period, 3 to 5 years, and this one should make you some money. Next up, we've got an SMS from Bhaskar Barua from Saudi Arabia. He has 200 shares of Walkhard, bought at 280 rupees. Good to see finally somebody's making a lot of money on a stock here. He wants to know what should he do. He can hold it for another 1 to 2 years. Pfizer company turned the corner, reported profits, and the stocks got re-rated quite a bit even after the hiving off of the hospital business. Should he book a bit of profits or hold on? Space stock. Hitesh, would you agree? Or do you see some potential technically right now on work hard and would recommend a buy or a hold even?
If you see the counter, the charts of work hard, it's currently in an uptrend. It didn't get much affected by the broader market fall that happened in the last few months. Currently, it's been consolidating over the last couple of months, and it should resume its uptrend. So we have a buy. We could have the investor hold on to this counter with a stop loss of 300 and ride the uptrend to see possibly 20 to 30% gains in the next 6 to 12 months.
Fair enough. So that's a split view, but the good part is, Mr. Barua, that you're already sitting on profits on Work Hard. So you could hold on or go with Faiza's view, book a bit of your profits on Work Hard and switch to another company in the pharma space that she's mentioned. Hitesh, I'll come to you first for disclosures and anything that you like in this market.
We do not have any tips currently on this market as well, because the markets are still a bit choppy, so I would wait for a clear trend to emerge before recommending any buys. By way of disclosure, Trend Tech Consultants, me or any of our clients could have holdings in any of the counters discussed today. Thank you.
Fine.